Hey guys, it's CheatZzZ. Sorry about the videos today that I uploaded that didn't have any sound. I was somewhere else and the computer did not have sound on it. So hopefully sound will be back for this one, and I'm going to be making a squad builder on Futhead. Hopefully you guys enjoy, and yeah. Check, probably, yeah, check. Please. This might be like a hybrid type thing. Probably. I don't really know what to call this team. Hybrid. That's what it's called, okay? Don't go on this. I'm using up my shell there. Neymar. Ronaldinho. And here we have here is. There we go. And CheatZzZ maybe? Yeah, CheatZzZ. It's because he's a decent player. Up front we're going with Messi. And here. Here we will go with. Check that. Stays in 90 chemistry, you joking? Cattle. There we go, cattle. And that gets it from there. It's this chemistry team. Hopefully you guys enjoy. And it's just a short video to see if my sound is working, and just to get the squad builder that I had in mind up. So thanks for watching. Like, comment, subscribe. Favorite video. Subscribe to OMG It's Pimps TV and OMG It's Goods. Bye.